Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to fix TikTok not no internet connection error. So sometimes there is internet available in our phone, but TikTok is not connecting to it. But there might be some problems. So what you can do is just to uninstall your app, or you can directly go to this about info section, and here you will find the storage section, and here just clear the data and just install or give all your credentials again and log back in your TikTok, and or you can just reset it and see if it is working or not, or getting any internet connection or not. Or if the problem still persists, you can go to your settings, and in here go to this connection section and go to your Wi-Fi or mobile data, whatever you're using. Go to its settings and check the DNS that is connected, if it is working or not, and this might solve your issue. And yeah, this is how easily you can do it. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Hope to see you in the next video.